Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Welcome to another episode of Flat Packs Exposed, the review series, brought to you by Prime Spaces. Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Gonna do a quick review for this lift top coffee table that I just put together. And my initial, reaction after putting this together is it's actually a pretty good piece, right? So it's made of MDF, so it is pretty lightweight. It's not a very big lift top coffee table. This is great for smaller spaces. There are a lot of lift top coffee tables out there that are actually pretty wide and can take up some substantial space in a living room. But again, this is great for small living rooms, small spaces where you're just trying to maximize your space and maybe get some more storage area out of your furniture. All right, so on the actual furniture piece, there are three storage areas. There's this small sort of cubby type area right here, and then literally just on the other side of it is a mirroring storage area, right? So we got this part right here, we got the one in the back, and then of course we have the lift top, right? So this lift top obviously just goes one way, but you can orient it in a way where the lift goes up and it's going to be coming towards you over your shoulder, over your lap. Or you can flip it around and have it so where when you lift the top, it goes away from you, right? And you can just reach in and grab some of the things that you like to store, right? So it's very, very simple, right? That's pretty much how a lift top coffee table works. But yeah, I really like the finish. I think this is a rustic brown color, and I do believe it comes in a multitude of other different colors, which is obviously a plus. It also does come with felt tip pads for the bottom of this, so if you want to protect your floors and you don't want to scratch up your floors, it does come with felt tip stickies that you put on the bottom of it, which I always think is a great thing for companies to do. I wish they would do that more. But overall, a pretty solid piece, not a bad price. Solid build, not of a lot of assembly steps. It took me about an hour and 10 minutes, I want to say, maybe an hour and 15 minutes. But typically you can expect maybe 1 to 2 hours assembling this, depending on your skill set, depending on the tools and things like that you use. This is a very, very nice piece for a very small space, right, is what I would probably recommend, right? But to each his own. Overall, I definitely give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and check it out, and I will check you guys on the next review.